Sometimes we face issues with the ESP32 when connecting it to our computer. It doesn't show a COM port or fails to connect properly. This usually happens because the required driver is not installed. The issue arises due to the different communication chips used in the ESP32 modules. Some modules use the CH340 chip, which is quite popular and familiar to most Arduino users. However, other ESP32 modules come with the CP2102 chip, which is less common. If the driver for the CP2102 chip is missing, your computer won't recognize the ESP32 and no COM port will appear. The solution is simple. Install the correct driver for the CP2102 chip and the problem will be resolved. Let me show you how to do it. First, open Device Manager on your computer. You will see the ESP32 listed as an unknown device with an error message. Don't worry, this happens because the driver is missing. If you check the properties, you will often see the chip name mentioned. Now, I have provided the download link for the driver in the video description. Just download the file and unzip it. Inside, you will find two setup files. Choose the one that matches your operating system's bit version, 32-bit or 64-bit. Double click on the setup file and follow the prompts. Click yes on any pop-up, and if your computer asks for additional permissions, grant them. The driver will install automatically. Once it's done, click finish. Now go back to Device Manager. You will see that the driver has been installed properly and your ESP32 is now showing up with a COM port number. And that's it. Problem solved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching this video.